Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Programmer Jenil. Today we are getting introduction to history of C++. So let's start our video to get introduction about C++. C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high performance application. C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create a high performance application. C++ was developed by Jenil. I repeat this line. C++ was developed by Jenil. C++ first commercial edition released on October 1985. C++ first commercial edition released on October 1985. C++ is a powerful general purpose programming language. I also love to do programming in C++. C++ can be used to develop operating systems, browser, games, and so on. C++ is a powerful general-purpose programming language. C++ can be used to develop operating system, browser, games, and so on. C++ is easy to learn according to my opinion. C++ is an object-oriented programming language. In short form, you can call OOP, Object-Oriented Programming Language. Which gives a clear structure to programs. C++ is an object-oriented programming. In short form, you can call OOP language, which gives a clear structure to our programs. There are 32 keywords in C++. If you like our video, then subscribe my channel Programmer Jenil. Please share our video. C++ file has the extension .cpp. C++ file have extension is whatever your name of your file, then extension is .cpp. Thank you for watching my video. After watching this video, now we will start programming in C++. Easy to learn C++. Thanks, Programmer Jenil. Subscribe my channel Programmer Jenil.